with Oscar Carboni. Good evening, traders. This video coming to you on a Thursday night for using possibly on Friday, September 11th, yuck, 2015. Traders, we know that futures trading can be extremely risky, causes substantial financial loss, is not suitable for all traders, should not be traded by traders that don't understand the risks, and always know that a stop is your best friend, and always place your stops first before getting into a trade. All right, traders, so first thing on the board, OMNI Camp, September 2015 starts tomorrow morning. Welcome, OMNI Campers. Welcome to Las Vegas. I can't wait to get started. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, so let me get through what's on the board and get my butt out of here so I can get some rest for this OMNI Camp. Okay, let me show you what we got. Traders, the emini, the S&P, I should say, the Dow, still testing very long-term major support right now. We are not completely out of the woods with the E-mini S&P, the Dow, the NASDAQ, the tranny. Not yet. I'm going to show you a chart that should show you why I say we're absolutely testing long-term support right now. But the verdict is still, it looks like it wants to go higher for sure, but the verdict is still out. I'll show you that chart. Then, gold. It might go up a teeny bit. You never know. They might try to push it higher on Friday, but it has almost no room to run on the upside, and I'll show you why. Traders, make sure you come on down to livewithoscar.com. Come into my free trading room. And by the way, thank you so much for so many Omniacs joining my platinum service lately. My goodness, many of you have been taking part in the Omni recommendations, and let me do this. Grandiose as it may be, does Chart Whisperer and Omni not deserve to take a bow here, or what? Have you seen the action coming out of Omni since these markets have gotten volatile? Go, Omni, go! I mean, wow! Now, we know this. Head down, nose to the grindstone, on to the next trade, right? We got that. We understand. We never look back. But since this volatility has started, you would think Omni might get chopped up. It has been doing fantastic. So come down to livewithoscar.com. Join the Omni Trading Recommendation Signals, the Platinum Service, and let me get those Omni signals out to you. Traders, with no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Traders, gold. Let's start with this chart. The gold market daily bar, I've been showing you this bear flag for days upon days, and look at what it produced. That is just perfect. I mean, go bear flag, go, right? Technical analysis proving itself. So, we have no trade at all set up for trading on Friday. Omni does not have a trade in gold, but let me just show you the chart. There are traders who think that gold is about to go higher. And I am showing you this, that bear flag that was right here. We simply moved it over. I dropped it over here just to leave it out on the chart. And this is what it's morphing into now. A downward channel that doesn't seem to let it out anytime it gets to the top or bottom of that channel. So the bottom of the channel is where we'd expect to go, even if it runs to here first. No room to run. Do not get excited on gold. It's got almost nowhere to go but more downside before this month is over. And then there's this, the long-term support. This is the Dow Jones monthly average, the Dow Jones Industrial Average on a monthly bar. Huge, long-term chart. Each one of these bars represents an entire month's worth of movement. In fact, these bars represent so much movement that this goes back to 2009 crash. Okay? We have been in this channel ever since the 2009 crash. We crashed, we went up and hit here, came down, went up and hit here, came down, went back up, came down a little, went back up. Look where we are now. We are testing long-term support. This is the monthly bar of September, and we're right here, just above the line. So the likelihood is it will hold as it always does, and away we will go. But we are not out of the woods yet. That's what this red box is going to represent. Not out of the woods yet. However, we are buying dips against that line. Now, monthly charts take a long time to pan out. So this is food for thought and not food for trading on Friday this week. Long-term trade, food for thought. We are testing the support. We're not out of the woods yet, but we are testing. And this bar proves at this point that we're holding because we got under the support line, got back above it, and here we are. This would be August. This is September. So the August bar got through the line, but September's is above the line right now. So we are testing. We have not broken it. We should hold like we have in the past. If we fail to hold, a totally different ball game maybe begins. For now, let's say it will hold just as it has in the past. Remember, this is very long term now. This is a monthly bar. We're not running out and trading what we see here for day trading. This is to keep us in check going out for the next few months. Traders, pull your own charts, do your own analysis. I'll see you all at livewithoscar.com. So, traders, you've seen the chart. You've got my technical argument for why I say gold has almost no room to run. It may go up a little, but it's got nowhere to go. And the Dow is still testing long-term support. It has not broken that support, but it hasn't gotten away from it yet either. So we are testing support. Let's see if it holds. If it holds, away we should go. We would be buyers of dips on Friday if we were going to day trade. But what I did instead was I sent out Oscar's market navigational indicator. I sent out the OMNI trade, and I'm going to leave it out on the screen for you traders. If, in fact, the market starts getting volatile tomorrow and we get filled, you will likely hear from me until we're out of the trade. If you do not hear from me, please practice the professionalism that we use every day here at the Omni Trading Academy to manage your trade. I'll be watching, but I may not be able to communicate with you because of Omni Camp in September 2015. It's going to be great. All right, traders, being that there's Omni Camp, I got to get out of here. I got to get a little rest. I'll see you cats later. Remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do with helping yourselves with keeping those emotions at bay is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. I'll see you all at livewithoscar.com. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.